Hello, Mandar. I'm making this video for you. I got the message earlier. By the way, I'm making this video and I'm gonna make it public as well as I'm gonna post on the Telegram for so that the other subscribers can benefit from the information. Okay, the situation. So you posted on this Telegram, right? That this is what's happening. That on 40 minutes is this the rule? That's stock. That's my indicator. It has something else as well. But you said that yesterday I was in wrong direction of GJ and took a SL at 30 pip, right? So I asked you to show me the screenshot of the entry, but you never did. You probably got busy or maybe you haven't looked into my message, right? So I believe that this what the heck is that? I believe that this was, let me see, you're talking about this, right? Yesterday, this is what it is. This 516. If you went short from the 20-minute chart, this is the only setup that I see, right? So if you had taken this one, you would gone probably, you see this all the way down here, the 70 pip trade, right? Well, I also had it, but by the time I woke up, it was all the way up there again. So for this much, you know that I don't make the chart, right? So I just closed the hell out of it. And then what happened when you look at and then by the way, if you open the trade here, your SL should be on only 25 pip, and when it goes in your direction 25 30 pip, you move your SL to break even, right? So there was no way that you now you if said maybe you will take this one, right? But why would you take this one? That's the question. Let me explain you that this is how the big mistake that most of the people are doing it when they are losing. So what it is that pound yen 40-minute chart. Let's go take a look. This was the move coming down, right? On a 40-minute chart here, let me see pound yen, pound yen, pound yen. You see that? Now, this is the level here, 95.87, and this is another level, 95.26. Where the heck are these? If you look at these levels here on the monthly chart of pound yen, these are the couple of levels. See this? 95.87 is this high, and then 95.26 is this high. And the price is dealing with that right now, right? So you draw those on your 40-minute chart, 95.87 and 95.26. So you are coming down here, and then you hit this area, right? Now you see this here, this reversal candle posted on this. So the short, I mean, my short probably like 20, 25 pip positive. That's it. It went down like 70 pip, but it reversed, right? Why? Because the trend is up and it is going to bounce from here. So it did, right? So it look at this reversal candle here. It finished, the candle was finished at 5 a.m. I mean, 5 o'clock, 5 o'clock on 5/16, May 16, 5 o'clock. So after that, there should not be any short, right? We only look for long from 7-minute chart and then the next entry from 20-minute chart. So coming down, there should be no loss whatsoever unless you have done something else, right? You're not using the system properly. Now, if according to our system, then if it's making a turn, right, from the top, you do the same thing, right? First entry from 7-minute, second entry from 20-minute, right? Same rule here. First entry from 7-minute, second is from 20-minute, right? So let's take a look. 5/16, May 16 at 5 o'clock. What happened to this at 7-minute chart? 5 o'clock, 5/16, 7 o'clock. I mean 5 o'clock, 5/16. Right there, right? So reversal candle was done here. So right after that, you see that this is not the time for our time to trade anyway. 5 o'clock, right? 5:40. London session open at 10. That's where we start to trade. So this whole thing is just we don't bother with that. These timings, right? Now you go to 9 o'clock is here, and then London opens up around 10. Now it's 9:45, and then right after that, you see that this first entry right there exactly at London Open, right? And then again, this one. These are the 7-minute entries, right? Later on, if you don't cash out, you still even if you take this one, you see this right there. you survive, right? Now, if you don't survive, for example, and then the price comes back and hits your SL, then you look for 20-minute entry, which is this. This is a 20-minute entry. Let me show it to you. This is a 20-minute chart. See this time here right now? What is the dip? 516, 1530. So let's go and take a look at the 20-minute chart, and right there, 516, 1530. Beautiful long entry on the 20-minute chart. And you should have taken this one, and then from here on, how many pips? That's 120 pip trend so far. I mean, right now, this is 100 pip. That's what it is. So if you go short here, you're safe. In fact, you make 50, 60 pip, and then going down against the trend on a 40-minute chart, you should close your trade for 40, 50 pip is enough to going down, right? If the trend changes and then you have a reversal here and then a retracement and then go down again, then it's a different story. But you can clearly see that you were going to the upside. Pound yen is in a strong up trend, right? So when you're going down against it, be careful. When you go on with the trend, you can be aggressive, right? So on this 20-minute chart, like I said, that this was the entry. Right. So I took this one. This is what happened. I just mentioned that. And then this one, you simply bypass because after the reversal candle, no more short, only long. If you have another short reversal and then you have 7-minute entry, then you take it. And then followed by another. But the move was down already. So this is like extended a reversal. A retracement on the 40-minute chart. So there is no need to go short here. Only long. And that's what happened. And this is the one that I'm just showing you on the 40-minute chart, the entry, right? My alarm beep. In fact, not my alarm, but my EA took this entry, and here's the entry. This is how easy it is if you play by the rule. Where the heck that chart is? Whoops. Yeah, right there. Right there. Okay. So see that? Easy peasy. This entry was taken, but I wasn't able to close it on time, so it went up and boom, gone. Okay, no problem. But this one you can see here easily, right? So I don't understand where did you lose, right? Unless you, again, you're not using the system properly. So if you understand it now, fine. Let me know if if everything is understandable now. If not, then you are doing one-on-one with me, right? So set up the next session and I'll even explain you even more, right? And everything else as well. So when to make, go for long with the trend in pound yen. And even if you try to go short, be careful and then close your trade early. Otherwise, this is what happened to me, right? Even then, even if I would be sleeping, then the price would go here and take me at break even, right? The EA already have a code that automatically move the SL, the 25 pip SL to break even as soon as we move 30 pip or 25, 30 pip. You can set that up, right? In profit, the EA move automatically instead at break even, right? I move. You see this always like, I separate so that you can clearly read. Then it was basically when it went up there, this SL was at the break even, right on the buy line, right? So before record the chart, I moved the SL a little bit so you can see that this is where the buy order is, and this is where my SL moved to break even plus 5-6 pip, right? Just in case. Okay. So this is how the pound yen trade happened yesterday. Now let's see what happened today, right? I have this setup. Well, I forgot about that. No, I'll make another video about the setup, or I have the setup in yen index and USD yen and all of that. So I will post on the Telegram. Okay, you can take it from there. And then, like I said, the setup over the weekend, I have some time available. So set up the session and we will discuss about it, right? And you're better off having the EA so that, even if you're not, maybe you open late here, that's why your SL was 30. But if you have an EA, it will open the trade automatically and place the SL and then move the SL to break even, blah, 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 right? And make sure that you don't have the SL in this area. when you have a 40-minute alarm beeping for the reversal candle, and I think I gave you that 40-minute alarm, right? The EA. It's not here until it's on the broker, 40-minute reversal alarm. So when you have that, after finishing this candle, it start beeping, no more short. You remove the EA and then place the EA in the London session and add on the 7-minute chart and then 20-minute chart, right? And let that magic happen automatically. Okay. So, like I said, again, if you have any question, just email me. I would tell you one thing, that if when you send me a message on a Telegram, I do not check the Telegram very often, right, for communication, because if there are too many people there, and then if I start communicating with everyone, then forget about their trading and everything, all my analysis, I wouldn't have time left, right? I'd rather have, you email me, and I'll answer you in the email. Okay. You will make a video like this. I will take time out and then try to explain everything. No big deal. This is I do all the time. This is my full-time job, so I don't mind doing that. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you later. Stop recording.